In this bonus lesson, I'm going to show you the few extra editing steps that I take to perfect my scribe in Premiere Pro. If you don't have Premiere Pro, but you do have any sort of editing software, then you can just follow along and check out what I do as an option for you to use your own music or customize your scribe a little bit. So I'm going to right click in the project area of Premiere Pro and I'm going to click import. I'm within my Videoscribe promo folder where I have all of the assets I used to create the promo. Here is the promo itself that has been exported. It's 180 megabytes. It's about 1.5 minutes long. There we go. I've selected that. I'm going to click import. Okay, and now I'm going to drag this down onto the timeline here. We will push keep existing settings, which were 1080 by 1920. And now I'm going to bring in a song that I got from Artlist, which is a royalty-free music website. It is a website where you join for a year with a yearly subscription fee and you can use any of their songs. It's really, really cool. I recommend you check that out. So I'm going to again right click, push import. There is my MP3, so I'll import that in. I'm going to move the timeline up and I'm going to drag this song underneath this audio, which is the audio I recorded from my script. So now I'm going to hold down shift and I'm going to select the song and I'm going to go to audio gain. I've right clicked there, go to audio gain. I'm going to go -14. Okay, so let's play this.
Hi everyone, my name is Ali Saunders and I want to teach you how to create great whiteboard animations using Videoscribe. I'll teach you
So you see how here, you can see it in the waveform, the song starts to pick up right here. You can tell by comparing the left side of the waveform to over here, the right side. It starts to pick up. I'd actually like it to pick up right when I start talking again here, which you can see. So I'm going to highlight the song and I'm going to move this over. There we go. Okay. And I'll drag that out. I'm also going to add audio fades by pushing Command-Shift-D. I've got to select A4, Command-Shift-D. There we go. This will just fade in the speaking and the music a little bit better. Let's bring these fades over there a little bit. Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is
So let's just skip ahead to the part we left off at.
I'll teach.
And I'm going to push P for the pen tool, put a point there and a point here, and I'm now going to push V and I'm going to bring that down a little bit because it starts to get louder there and I don't want the music to drown out my voice. Let's just copy. We'll right click, push copy, and now we'll paste that into this audio track. Yep, push OK. Okay, so let's continue from here.
I'll teach you everything you need to know, so you'll start out as a beginner and be a pro Videoscribe user by the end of this course.
Okay, so I like how that sounds. I'll go to the end here and I'm going to hit C and cut the ends of that music off. I'll go to the end of the audio here, push Command-Shift-D. I'm using a Mac. And let's just listen to how that fades out. Okay, I'd like to also put a fade on the visuals here. So I've pushed Command-D to do that. Let's watch again. Okay, and that looks and sounds good. So I've gone through this a bit quickly. I'm assuming if you have Premiere Pro that you understand how to use the different tools and effects within it. If you have any questions, you can let me know. We actually have an entire course on Premiere Pro. It's a bestseller. It's very, very good and very, very popular. My partner created that, and if you have any questions about Premiere Pro or you'd like to take this course, the first 50 people who shoot me a message for that, I will give you a special discount on that Premiere Pro course. Okay, so I'm going to push O to mark the out. And I'm going to go to the front of the edit and push I there. So now I will export this, and once I've exported this, I will have my final Videoscribe video ready to use as the promo, which you've obviously already seen the full promo if you have entered this course. So there you go. Thank you so much for checking out this course. I really am glad that I've been a part of helping you learn how to use Videoscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. You've learned everything from opening up your first scribe to using the effects, using different hands, how to draw in different images, as well as how to bring in your own images and use different music and so on. And all of the tools and techniques that I've taught you in this course, I use on a regular basis, and I get paid clients from these techniques. So I'm very, very happy that I took the time to learn Videoscribe and become a pro in it, because it's a great way to make some money. So I hope you've enjoyed this course, and thank you again so much for joining me in it. Remember, if you're interested in seeing an entire course devoted to creating images for Videoscribe, some drawing techniques, as well as using Illustrator and Photoshop, then let me know. I think that a lot of people who are interested in whiteboard animations and who have that skill also, in most cases, have access to Adobe's subscription, because creativity on all of those softwares work hand in hand together. Thanks again so much for joining me, and all the very best in your scribing future.